Hey guys, and welcome to another video. We're in the car here with Kendall. I say car, the 4x4, and we're heading up to the Paramin Lookout. So we're kind of going up the steep area at the moment as we just take the turn of the Maracas road as you saw. Check it out. I take back the not steep part. So we just passed North Deck and we headed up. Yeah. Up and up and up. I try to keep the phone as level as possible so you can see how steep. But we're here in La Vigie. I pronounced that correct? Vigie? Yes, La Vigie Lookout. Really at the top here in Paramin. The views before the mist came in look really nice. I hope we could get some nice views on this side of the ocean. Let's head in. A snap. Paramin fresh seasoning.
Only wash and grind.
All wash and grind it, right? Let me see it closer. Because you know Paramin famous for the produce, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's it, yeah. Yeah.
You grew up in Paramin?
Yeah. I'm born up there.
What is your name?
George.
George. So when we come up here, ask for George.
Yeah, George Green Eye.
Great eye? Okay.
You know
Nice
the
one.
Romanian,
Yeah. Born right there.
Okay.
What is it, 15? 10?
Get him out. So as you saw, Paramin is known for its cultivation and whatnot. So we just got some nice thing for you. Alright, let's head in. La Vigie Paramin Lookout. Look them up on Instagram, that same thing, and you will see them for the facility. Please go and support them. What do you think, son? Maybe missed it. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but we could actually see the mist from the view. It's very misty, but look at this little lookout here on the property, how it's faded. I could actually see the mist around us here. Alright, so we're walking on to the other lookout. They're doing some repairs on these, so we can't go there, but let's go down. Oh, look at the view here, man. Very misty today, but it's really nice. It's really nice. It's still very much enjoyable, and it's very chilly. And there is some nice thick scythe over there because again, up here is known for its cultivation of plants and agriculture, and scythe is very popular. It's cleared up a little bit so you can actually see the islands out in the ocean now. Over there. I don't even mind that it's misty. The air up here is so clear and fresh, and it's actually like a low level AC. That's how it feels like. Misty. Check it out. But still very beautiful. As I said, it's nice and chilly. The facilities are so cool. Check some coming walking over the rocks there. It's really nice. There's another little peak here that Kendall just showed me on the ledge. There we are. Check it out. Really beautiful. I just love it. The property is so well done. Yes, I wasn't able to go to all the other lookouts, but at least they're doing maintenance and they're upgrading. And just the location, to have a deck up here where people could come and appreciate the beauty of Trinidad a little bit from this view is just, this is such a good thing, and I hope people don't take something like this for granted. Yes, you have to have a good vehicle, but once your vehicle in good working order, good transmission, preferably 4x4, you could make it up and come on and experience this. Really, really nice. They come from underneath there, you'll get squished. Right, so we came, we saw the lookout, and now we're heading back. Well, we're doing a little wrap up here. We did the La Vigie hike. I want to thank Kendall so much for this trip. We went to all kind of waterfall. Even today, you'll see in another video, we went by another waterfall. It was really good. Thanks so much to the family for taking me out so much. I really enjoyed it. Anyway guys, remember to like, subscribe, and as always, see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.